This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lynn O'Connor. No HOA. Convenient to shopping, restaurants and a movie theater. This lovely 3-2 brick home has been well cared for by the original owner. You will be delighted with the open floor plan. Features a split plan. A large master bedroom and bath on one side, and 2 bedrooms on the other with a hall bath. Living room, dining room, kitchen and hallway feature neutral, ceramic tile flooring. Adjacent to the dining room is the family room with a beautiful view of the large, private backyard. An outside screened patio is attached, perfect for family barbecues. A new roof and new electric hot water heater installed in 2016. The large backyard could accommodate an addition, a pool, or allow vehicle or boat parking. City restrictions apply. Downtown Mount Dora is only minutes away. Known for its dining and yearly festivals. Also there is a marina, and public boat ramps. A 1-year home warranty is included with acceptance offer. Lawn equipment included. For more information, review the details below.